With the number of cases in Illinois on the rise, Governor J.B. Pritzker says we're heading in the wrong direction and things need to change.
WGN's Patrick Elwood is here now with more on the governor's message.
Ben and Micah, good evening to you. A warning today from the governor as he visits parts of the state that have seen a jump in COVID cases. We are close to moving backwards, he says, in the Restore Illinois reopening plan. Illinois State Beach at Zion has proven to be a popular place for people looking to relax and cool off during the hot summer of 2020, the COVID summer. So much so that it will now be closed on Saturdays and Sundays beginning August 1st until further notice. Department of Natural Resource officials say the beach has been too crowded with a lack of social distancing. It will remain open during the week. This development comes as the governor warned today, speaking from Peoria, that the state is on the brink of moving backwards.
I would say that we're at a danger point, everybody. Pay attention. Now is the moment to wear your mask properly, as the leader said when he was up here, wear your mask properly. And for people who aren't wearing masks, please start now. It is never too late. Start now.
It was the not wearing of masks that is being blamed on a COVID outbreak at Bradley University in Peoria. A dozen students, including some who attended social freshman orientation, prompting the school's president to warn of the dangers of not adhering to health officials' recommendations, including masks, frequent hand washing, and social distancing. Things we have heard many times before. Still too early to tell, though, if this will affect the forthcoming fall semester. Meanwhile, back in Chicago, the Board of Elections closed today after an employee there testing positive for COVID-19. In a tweet, the agency said, quote, "Limited phone, email, and online voter assistance will continue to be provided remotely," unquote. Back in April, an elections worker died after getting COVID working a polling site in the March primary. Guys, one of the concerns is as we go backwards at school, all different levels, it may go to an all remote asset fast again.
Yeah, I know.
We shall see.
Thank you, Patrick.